Hi everyone. This short video is to show you how you can enhance your Google Meet experience with a couple of extensions. The first extension is called Grid View, and I'm going to just search in here for Google Meet extension. There it is right there, called Grid View. Okay, and then you're going to click on that. And of course, once again, you need to be in Chrome to do this. I already have this in my extension list, so you're going to simply add it to Chrome. Click on that. Okay, and add extension. Now you'll see up here in this corner, there's a grid. So when you go into a Google Meet, you can click on that grid. Whoops, sorry, it disappeared. I'm going into the extension button now, and because I'm going to use that one all the time, I'm going to have it pinned. Okay? All right, so now when I go into my Google Meet, and I'm just going to demonstrate that, join in. Okay, so now you'll see I have this up here for Grid View. Okay, and I can click on it and show all participants. So now when I'm in a video meeting, Google Meet, I can see all the participants. And the latest rumor is that it will be up to 59 students at one time. So try that one out. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the next one. I'm just going to click out of that Google Meet because it's distracting me. The next one I'm going to show you is, go back out of that, is called emojis. Google Meet extension, emojis. Let's see what comes up. There it is. React, emojis, GIFs, filters, you name it. Okay, once again, I already have it, so I'm not going to remove it from Chrome. Okay, you can see it up here in my list somewhere. Oh, no access is needed, so I already have it. So when I go into a Google Meet, I can start to use some different emojis. So once again, let me show you what that will look like. And emojis will enhance our conversations and our expressions, our ability to express ourselves with different emojis. We can also raise our hand if we want to say something. So now that I've got my emojis on here, you'll see that when I launch my video camera, okay, you'll see a menu up here of emojis. So now I can clap if I want to, I can cry, I can, if I want to raise my hand, I can raise my hand, etc. So those two extensions will really enhance your Google Meeting experience, and I will show you more extensions in the weeks to come. Thank you.